Have you ever gotten this annoying message when trying to install Windows 11? Windows cannot be installed to this disk. The selected disk is of the GPT partition style. Well, you're not alone. Thousands of users face the same problem every day when upgrading to Windows 11. But today, I'm going to show you a simple and effective solution that will save you hours of searching and frustration. Hello everyone, I'm Mustafa from Valley 4 Techs. In this video I'll show you step by step how to convert your hard drive from the traditional MBR system to the modern GPT system using the DiskPart tool built into Windows. And the best part? You won't need to download any additional software because we'll do that during the Windows installation process. But before we start, this process will erase all the data on the drive, so make sure you back up all your important files before starting. Let's get started. We will start by booting using a DVD or USB flash drive to install Windows 7, 10, 11, or even Windows Server 2019 or 2022. After entering the initial Windows setup information, press the Next button, then choose Install Now. When you reach this stage, press the Shift plus F10 keys together to open the command prompt window. Now, type the following command: DiskPart. You should see a message, Microsoft DiskPart version, with the version number. Now, type the following command: List disk. A list of all available disks will appear. Select the disk you want to install Windows on by arranging it in the SATA ports on the motherboard, or by its size. It is often easy to determine the required disk based on its storage capacity. If you have multiple hard drives connected to the motherboard, it is best to connect only the disk you want to install Windows on. In my case, I have 2 disks connected to the motherboard, and I want to install Windows on the first disk, and its order is 0. So I will type the following command: Select disk 0. So, make sure to choose the correct disk number if you have more than one disk. Now, type the following command: Clean. This command will erase all data on the disk, as we mentioned in the note before the beginning of the explanation. Now, to convert the disk to GPT, type the following command: Convert GPT. Finally, after the conversion is successful, type the exit command to exit the DiskPart tool. Then type the exit command again to exit the command prompt. You can now check whether the command was done correctly or not. Press the Shift plus F10 keys together again to open the command prompt window, then type the DiskPart command and then the list disk command. You should find an asterisk under the word GPT indicating the type of disk and the success of the conversion process. Now you can continue the installation process as usual. Enter your product key if you have one, or select I don't have a product key. Choose the version of Windows you want to install, and accept the license agreement. When you reach the disk selection screen, you should now be able to select the disk and continue without the previous error message. So friends, we have successfully converted the disk from MBR to GPT using DiskPart tool. Now, you can install Windows without any problems. If you liked the video, don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing for more useful explanations. Thank you for following. And if you face any problem during the steps, write to us in the comments and we will help you. See you in the next video.